Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today we're thrilled to delve into the much-anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500A motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic charm with modern enhancements. A legacy reimagined. The Royal Enfield Bullet has been an emblem of timeless motorcycling since its inception in 1932. The 2025 iteration continues this legacy, offering riders an authentic experience that honors its storied past. Design and aesthetics. Staying true to its iconic design, the new Bullet 500 features a minimalist engine layout, handcrafted chrome accents, and the signature hand-painted pinstripes. These elements come together to create a machine that exudes exceptional style and presence. Performance and rideability. Equipped with dependable 19-inch tires, the Bullet 500 ensures stability and a confident grip on various road conditions. Its commanding seating position allows riders to take charge of the journey ahead, while the distinctive thump of the engine adds to its imposing presence. Dependability and versatility. Renowned for its durability, the Bullet 500 has been trusted for decades to handle heavy loads and diverse terrains. Whether you're embarking on a long-distance tour or a daily commute, this motorcycle is built to accompany you reliably. Color options. The 2025 Bullet 500 is available in two striking shades, jet black and the all-new forest green. These color options enhance its classic appeal while offering a fresh look for modern riders. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing contemporary advancements. For those seeking a motorcycle that offers a pure and unadulterated riding experience, the new Bullet 500 is poised to deliver. Thank you for joining us on Bike Buzz. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in the motorcycling world.